Hello, cleaning professionals. If you struggle with training your cleaners, increasing your company's bottom line, or maybe it's just providing a consistent clean for your clients, then the Speed Cleaning Training and Certification Program is right for you. This program is a completely online way to train your employees and to automate your entire training process so that you can replicate yourself and grow your cleaning business. Let me quickly share what one of our certified companies has saved just since starting our program. This is Angel Dersler. She's the owner of Two Gals and a Broom in Kansas City, Missouri, and since she started the program, she is saving over 250 hours every single month in cleaning time. Let me tell you what 250 hours a month can translate to. This is 250 hours of reduced payroll costs. Doing the exact same clean and the exact same number of houses, you're just cutting $250 of payroll costs right off the top. Not only is that 250 hours automatically extra payroll savings, it's also an extra 250 hours of potential revenue that you can take on. You can take on more jobs, more homes, and fill that 250 hours, increasing your bottom line instantly. So here's what you get inside the Speed Cleaning Training and Certification Program. We have all of these courses here that you're going to get that's included in the package that we have for you today. And the first one we start with is Train the Owner. So in Train the Owner, this is a way for you as the cleaning business owner to automate and systemize, learn how to do the entire training program. How do you bring on new employees and train them? How do you get your legacy employees on board when you are switching your training program? Everything that you need to know to implement the Speed Cleaning Training Program is going to be in there for you. The next course you get in this deal is Train the Trainer. Now, of course, because we know how to clean doesn't necessarily mean that we know how to train someone to clean. So in Train the Trainer, we teach you everything that you need to know to learn how to train someone. Now, this is learning how to follow through with an entire training program. So what do you do day one? What do you do day two of the training process? How do you speak to your employees as a training manager? What are the checklists that you need? What are the quality forms that you need? Everything there is included in Train the Trainer. The next course we're going to look at is Train the Cleaner. This is what every cleaning tech or anyone who's going to do the clean is going to watch. This course is going to teach you or your cleaning techs how to clean a home in half the time. Now, this is a maintenance clean. So this is the clean that you're going to do on a regular basis. It's going to teach you step by step. What do you do first? What do you do second? What do you do next? It's going to teach you where to start in a room and how to move through the room. It will cut your cleaning time down by half in some cases. Imagine the amount of time you can save by cutting each cleaning time down by half. The next thing you get as part of the program is separate access for your employees. So you're going to have access to your training portal as the owner, and you're going to have all of these trainings there available to you. But your employees, your training managers, and your cleaning techs, they're also going to get their own access, so they're not using your logins. They can log on as a training manager and see the training for the trainer and the training for the cleaner. And your cleaning techs are also going to have their own access, so they will be able to log on and see Train the Cleaner. Now, included in the certification program and with your cleaning techs access, you are also going to get the Spanish version of Train the Cleaner. So if you have Spanish-speaking employees who are working for you and cleaning for you, they will be able to learn the Speed Cleaning Train the Cleaner in Spanish. As a company who has gone through the certification and this training program, you are going to be officially Speed Cleaning certified. Now, this is something that you are going to want to broadcast on all of your emails, on your website, on all of your marketing materials, so that you can demonstrate to potential clients that you have a professional certification. You will use this to demonstrate to your current clients that now we have this professional certification, we've gone through this professional training, and we're going to walk into a client's house with the professional skills that we need. We're also going to be listing you in our annual directory. When someone comes to the Speed Cleaning website and they go to our directory and they're looking for a Speed Cleaning certified company, they can just type in their zip code and your company's name is going to pop up. When your potential clients are looking for someone who is either professionally skilled, certified, your name is going to come up, your company is going to come up in your zip code. And when they're comparing your company versus the company next door, they're going to weigh the two and choose the one that has professional certification. Now, you saw all of these values here. This is a high value program. This is going to save you countless hours. It's going to save you money. It's going to save you payroll costs and increase your revenue. While this program is worth every penny of the $5,092 that it's valued at, we want to give this to you today for $499. And that's it. $490, you get this price every year for life. So as long as you stay in the program, your price will always be $499. When we raise our prices next month or next week, you're going to be at $499. This price and this deal locks you in at this $499 price every year for life. Let's talk through some of the questions that we've gotten about the program. Will my employees have a separate access for all of their training? Yes, your employees will be able to access everything on their own separate from yours. Can I use the training all year long? Yes, definitely. This is unlimited amount of trainings for you as you hire all year long. You can onboard your new employees or refresh the training of your current employees as many times as necessary. How long does the training take? Just the train the cleaner part is a 60-minute video. So you get to train all of your cleaners or retrain all of your cleaners in 60 minutes. They can come into your office or they can watch it online from the comfort of their own home. However you want to do it, it's 60 minutes just to learn the train the cleaner. Why is the certification payment recurring? This is so that we can keep your company certified. Every year that you are going to have access to the training program, and every year your business is going to be growing and you're going to be saving extra time, you want to make sure that you are keeping up with your certification, and so we have this recurring payment. Will I have access to a community of other certified companies? Yes, we have a private Facebook group that our speed cleaning certified companies are able to be a part of, and this is a great place for you to go and ask questions, talk about the methods, get more resources that we're uploading in there every single week, and everyone would be excited to have you join them. So don't miss out on this deal. You want to claim it today.